welcome back to our hard CA certificate rotation. We just a moment ago deployed our manifest manually, and it did, as expected, fail on our first MySQL VM. Now, if this had been a production setting, we would have ignored 1 and 2 as to maintain any complications that could have occurred with the production database. But as is our lab, we didn't bother with that, and we are going to go ahead and now ignore the first one. So what we're trying to do right now is get the CA cert on all of the MySQL VMs. So there's 3 VMs, and if we take a look at it right now, on that specific VM, it is currently in a failed state and only has one process not working. So this means it was not able to log into the cluster. This will run once the Galera init process is working. So at this moment, we need to get the other 3 into the same state. So what we're going to do is we are going to ignore this specific VM. Oops. We're going to ignore the MySQL VM. And what that's going to do is cause the deploy to immediately skip it and go to the next one. Now, I mentioned that we were going to add the -- non-interactive. We're going to go ahead and add this to our command so that way it blips right through and fire it off. You'll see right at the beginning here, it'll say that 1 VM is ignored. This will be the MySQL VM that we just did. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. It'll take about 10 minutes for this to fail, and then we'll be back.